Hey guys, Bob from Gill Skills here with my daughter Cadence. Say hello, Cadence.
Hi.
I decided to cut my vacation a little short to get back and do a couple of things, and I wanted to take my daughter into town, and she wanted a bird, so I'm going to pick up a bird for her, probably get her a nice little cockatiel, and maybe we'll do some dumpster diving. But the most important thing that I wanted to tell you guys today is I came back from my vacation and I checked my YouTube account, and you're not going to believe it. I'm monetized! Woohoo! Isn't that awesome, Katie? High five! I'm monetized! So it only took 3 months, but I am monetized again, which is awesome. So I'm going to start seeing revenue come back through YouTube. Thank you again for those that have stuck with me and subscribed to my channel. It's been kind of wishy-washy lately, you know, people coming and going, and there hasn't really been that much growth in terms of subscribers, and I'm wondering what's going on. If I could get your honest feedback, as long as it's respectful, I'd greatly appreciate it, because I want my channel to grow. Growing to me means that I'm doing the right things and I'm posting content that you, the viewer, want to see. So I'd love to hear what you have to say on that. Anyway, we're gonna go get a bird and we'll do some dumpster diving. Maybe not in that order, because I don't want the bird to get heated up. I have AC in here anyway, but anyway. I am super pumped about being monetized again, which means that a lot of my YouTube friends in the scrapping community is going to be monetized soon as well. So hang in there, guys, and I'll see you in a bit. Round and around and around and around we go. Round and around. We're in the store.
We can't do it.
This young lady right here is going to help me sing my parody. So guys, just so you know, she's worried about getting embarrassed. Oh, I'm not yelling. So I might as well ask all of you guys, since we're here and it's hard to reach out to each and every one of you individually, what I'd like to do is I want to do a song parody based on our scrapper community. So everybody that watches my channel, I would need a comment down below from you giving me permission to use a few small clips in the parody video. It's nothing negative or anything like that. It's all in the sake of good fun and to show how strong our scrapping community is on YouTube. And this young lady is going to sing the parody. Is anybody looking at us?
Yes.
Oh, stop. Jeez, kids, right? Wow. We'll go to Burger King for lunch, and then from there maybe we'll go to Sweet Frog, and then we'll get your bird. We swung by the back end of Walmart. There was no dumpsters really to get into. There's a couple of internal ones. Let's see what I can find before we head home to make it a well-rounded day. You alright with Burger King? Mm-hmm. Alright, so we'll get the 2 for $6 deal, and then maybe we'll go to Sweet Frog.
Are you still recording?
Maybe. Are you behaving because we're still recording? What? You behave all the time? I just realized I don't have my seatbelt on.
Yeah, you better put your seatbelt on.
Seatbelt on.
What's
McFetty? Hearth and Home. They have they have propane wood stoves, regular wood stoves, pellet stoves.
Like a goal to go to every store, every single store and make one.
No!
Yeah.
You know how long that would take?
Not today, but like.
Glad you said that. Not today. We're making light. We're making the light! We're making Burger King!
Taking a left turn.
Oh, well, Burger King.
Left turn.
2 for $6.
Taking a left turn.
Making a left turn. Making a left turn. You guys get extra bonus points if you know where that's from. We know where it's from. The guy's last name begins with a D. So what do you want? Like a Whopper, or do you want a chicken sandwich, or what? They got a lot of good stuff. Look, they got bacon sourdough sandwiches. Those are really good. You got the double quarter pound king. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes, I'd like 2 spicy crispy chickens. You want 1 or 2 crispy? 1 regular crispy chicken, 1 Whopper, and 2 small medium Cokes.
Okay, so 2 spicy chickens, I have a crispy chicken and a Whopper. I'll want 2 for $6 for you and 2 medium Cokes. Anything else?
That'll do it, dear.
It'll be $17.05. The second right window, please.
Thank you.
You're eating 3 burgers?
No, I'm not eating 3. But you get a good deal if you get the 2 for $6. You're getting 2 sandwiches for $6. Normally those sandwiches are like $4.50 or $5. It's crazy.
So you're getting 3 sandwiches.
We'll just take it home. We'll take it home. Save it for later. Sometimes the viewers like to see how your day's going, I guess. How's your day?
Fantastic.
I love that. Say it louder for the camera. Say, fantastic!
Fantastic.
I smelled grilled, greasy fast food burgers. What?
I don't like burgers.
Well, it's not that greasy. You know, when you grill something, it's less greasy than it would be if you fried it, which McDonald's does. They fry their burgers, which is why they're more greasy. Burger King burgers are less greasy.
Fast food is not good for you.
Fast food in general, no, it's not good for you. But if you were to rate the two, Burger King is a little tiny, microscopically, fractionally bit healthier. In like the atomic world, you know, like be slightly by a few atoms healthier than McDonald's. Booyakasha! I am so happy about our monetization. I'm so happy I came home early to spend time with the family. I am so happy that my daughter's getting a bird today, which makes her so happy. That makes me so happy. Oh, happy. You happy? That's a fake one. I want to see a real one. So anyway, like I was saying before, Katie's going to sing the parody. I might do a duet here and there, you know, maybe sing some bass lines, but she's going to sing the parody. So I need all my scrapping friends' permission. It could be people I'm not even subscribed to yet, like Tucker Upper and people like that. I do need to subscribe to him, by the way. I've heard nothing but good things about his channel. Like Scrap Kingdom, I've already talked to him, got his permission. Scrap and Pallet Man, I've already got his permission. But I watch so many others, like Scrapper Dave, let's see, E-Waste Ben. There's too many for me to list. But, oh, hold on a second, I gotta pay and get my food. Maybe.
Hi, it's 17:05. Thank you.
Card's gonna be smoking by the time I'm done today. Is that spicy?
Mine's not.
Spicy!
Okay.
Thank you, you too.
Who's that?
On my next paycheck, I am ordering a trailer hitch for this puppy. And then we'll well, I gotta get the wire harness too, but once I get both of them, I'll be putting this together and I'll be retrofitting the trailer that I already have, and then I'm going to start seriously scrapping because I got to save for a trip to Six Flags with my family. Oh, it's going to be a pain in the butt to get out of here. I love embarrassing my daughter. It's so fun. Powerpuff Girls. No, that's not Powerpuff. I'm sorry. That's Little Kitty. Are you happy? Mm-hmm. Very happy? How happy? I just wanted you guys to know I did do some scrapping while I was away on vacation, and I brought home some brass. Ta-da! I actually was at SIG Firearms in New Hampshire there. We were checking the place out, and we were on our way out, and I happened to notice this little bad boy was just sitting on the sidewalk. So a nice little bit of brass to add to the pile, right? So last thing on the agenda for this video, I know it's a little long, I apologize for that, but I wanted to extend a thank you to George from Junior A Cat. For the first time in Gill Skills history, a viewer had not only acknowledged one of my videos, but had actually sent me something. So I sincerely appreciate that. He saw my YouTube video on pulling the brass out of plugs, and he was concerned with the method I was using, that I would hurt my hand or cut my hand or what have you. So he had sent me some tools to kind of aid in that process. What he sent me is actually pretty phenomenal, because this to me looks handmade. Looks like it was all cut out and drilled out and then welded. So you might have to educate me a little bit, George, on how to go about using this. I would presume you would put it in a vise and then just stick the plug up through and yank the brass right out of it. But I'm not really 100% sure. So if you want to educate me on that, I'll actually do a video of me utilizing this tool to make it a little easier for myself and and maybe someone could create something like this in the future to make it easier for them as well. So it looks like he also sent me a chisel tool, and this to me looks like a sharpening tool. I'm not really 100% sure, but nonetheless, it's just phenomenal that someone would take the time and spend the money to not only send these tools to me, but it means a great deal to me to know that a viewer cared enough about my well-being to send me some tools to better my experience and make it a little safer. So I sincerely thank you for that, George. I really do appreciate it. Junior A Cat is his YouTube name, so huge kudos for you for that. Thank you again, and I will definitely make a video on how to utilize this. I'm going to consult you a little bit just to make sure I'm using these for their intended purpose. But anyway, it's great to be back, guys. Things are going to slowly get back into their regularly scheduled programming, if you will, in regards to scrapping and how-to videos and DIY. It's been kind of a crazy last couple of weeks prepping for vacation, and then during vacation, my laptop died. I was hoping to do some decent how-to videos for you, but when the laptop died, I'm like, all I have is my phone, and I couldn't find an editing software that wouldn't leave its watermark. So I said the heck with it. I'll just send sporadic videos to you guys to let you know I'm still alive, show you the majestic views that I'm seeing for those of you that can't get away, that would like to live vicariously through me because of me being on vacation. Anywho, thank you again, George. Thank you, Junior A-Cat. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate each and every one of you for supporting my channel, for being there for me. I want to be there for you as well. So like, comment, let me know what you want to see. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share. If you see a video that you like, that you think your other friends would like, share that puppy, share that video, and let them know that it's there so it can enrich their lives and make their lives hopefully a little easier as well. So enough rambling for me. Again, great to be back, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
I hope you've enjoyed my content. If you have, great! Let me divert your attention over to this big red subscribe button on the side here. Already a subscriber? That's awesome, and I greatly appreciate it. Please feel free to click on that little bell to get notifications when I create a new video.